because he moves in here, this guy is supposed to move in here. Simple. Now watch. That is too late. Da. It was a freeway there. It was a freeway on the left-hand side from Pretoria to Zimbabwe. Sundowns is attacking. Da. Look how many players are there. What? Bafethu. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. Sundowns goes to the final. They will play AS FAR, right? I'm going to do a preview close to the final, the other team. But yesterday's game, Sundowns was just controlling the game, not to lose. Champions League football, right? Get a goal, then kill it. Second half, they brought in Marcelo just to kill off the game. Marcelo is very special in terms of when we have to control the ball, control the tempo. Now, Esperance, they didn't utilize the space that Sundowns gave them. Masaiti. Now, let's start. Now, they have the ball. Esperance, they like to play Ngama crosses, but the players that cross the ball, it's the fullbacks, the left back and the right back. You won't see the winger crossing the ball. No, you won't see that. Especially this guy. In this one, this move. Now, this guy comes in here perfectly. Umnand. He comes in and he plays in as a half 10. This thing is supposed to be we have to be in sync. When one person angena phakathi nendawo, the other one mele yenze movement fast, because he moves in here, this guy is supposed to move in here. Simple. Now watch. That is too late. Even the pass is bad. Imagine if they were in sync, then they would have had Sundowns in trouble. It was going to be 2 against 1. Lapaya Gumutao. Another example, right? This guy, look at the space here, right? Remember, we need the goal more than Sundowns. So what do we have to do? We have to be aggressive. We have to go forward. This guy should be here. He doesn't have to be in line. Just be here. Remember, Guti, the double pivot allows the fullbacks to go forward. In case they lose the ball, this guy is here. He'll try and defend. If they don't defend, it's okay. We are already losing. Now, watch. He's still here. This guy turns. He looks up. He's looking to play the pass. This guy only starts his run now. It's too late. He should have been here. If this guy was here, but he doesn't. Now, short pass. It's too late. It's closed. Now we are playing it. Okay, sharp. Keep it. Malash. Right? The space is over. Angithi. Siyavuleka bayadlala, but they lose it. Then watch again. The space on the right hand side. Ngiyayivala la, ngiyayistopa la. The space here. Play it, mfana kithi. Move, mfana kithi, move. He doesn't play it. Now he decides to play the ball. Suka. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships, people who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand, or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Bafethu ukuthi times are tough, we live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join, please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Now, the Sundowns setup, and we all know Sundowns, they like to have a half 10, 4-2-3-1, right? So, Sales playing as a half 10, you had Umurena playing as a winger, then you have Matthews playing as a half 10, right? The first 10 minutes of the game, there were moments where Esperance, they pressed Sundowns very well, right? But on the left-hand side, there was a freeway. I have to give credit to Ulunga. Ulunga played very well. Problem was the final product, but he played very well in this game. I know I give him a lot of stick. I still don't like the guy. Ne? Yeah, for me, he's not Sundowns quality. Now, just showing you the setup. Ne? I'm just showing you the setup. Yes, Sundowns, with how they were set up. Ball goes to where? To the left-hand side. Matthews, Sales. Now Ulunga there. Divine Lunga. So these two were causing a problem for these two. We're causing a lot of problems for these two. I'll show you. The importance of Ulion. Ne? I'm going to show you in today's video. Ne? Sundowns with Ulion, they have an extra option. Remember when Urenas plays, they hardly play the ball long. That when Ulion is there, they can play the ball long. Even if he doesn't win it the first time. Ne? Second time when the ball comes, they win it. Zonbonisa throughout the video. Now, sharp. We are focusing on the freeway, right? From Cape to Cairo. Now, this is Matthews, and this is Matthews. This is the right back, and this is the right winger. When we are okay, let me play it. They were caught. Okay. But they didn't get a chance to score. And good defending. Give credit to the defenders. Good recovery. Now, in this situation, when you have Matthews dropping deep, the right back must not come deep. If he comes deep, then this guy has to go. He has to push up at a position at the right back. And not to be close or be in line with Ulunga there. If he doesn't go there, then he needs to come in here and then Untanga drop it back. It's okay if Sundowns plays the ball in front of us. Then go to long, because the moment they play the ball long, you see this guy is worried, and this guy is worried. Caught in two, because this one here is what is sleeping on duty. Another chance on the left hand side. And same thing, guys. It's the same thing. He makes a run. Okay, sharp. Relax. There was a moment where Matthews and Ulion were like, relax. Take it back. Don't force issues when you have scripted plays. If Valegile, take the ball back. It's okay. Now, watch. This guy defending poorly. And one simple pass, Imdluli. Now you have Ulontuzana Iwan free there. It was a freeway there. It was a freeway on the left-hand side from Pretoria to Zimbabwe. From Pretoria to Zimbabwe, to Zim. Another chance here. Sundowns should have scored in the first 20 minutes. Yasboni's cut his team. They could have done better there. They could have done better on the left-hand side. Okay. Wasala mfana kithi. Maybe could have pushed the ball. But it was a chance for his Sundowns. Leon, when he kicks the ball, man, he kicks it funny. The penalty. I'm not gonna talk about the penalty, guys. It was a penalty. Bamkhahlelile isandleni, bamkhahlela kuma ribs. It was a penalty. If you don't think it was a penalty, then it's okay. Sharp. Sigu N1. Mara N1 ayiyezini N1. Divine Lunga. Beautiful game. Yes. Keep the ball. Keep the ball. Watch what will happen here. Keep the ball. Space sizovuleka. Abatshayela upress. Now. Beautiful pass here. Bafethu. I told you about this freeway from Pretoria to Zim. Problem was the final product. Second half. Sundowns, same thing as in the first half, right? But now in the second half, they brought in Allende, Mr. Miyagi. What's good about Allende is that guy that will always give you an extra play. If need to, you don't know what to do, he'll always show up, right? He'll always show up. If you are a team that likes to play the ball, you must always have a player that moves around. They'll always add a third man. Bese siyaphuma. Rondo. Sinikezwe Allende. Siyaphuma. Right? That's what Sundowns did in the second half. Now, I always talk about when you're a striker, you must go to the first pole if people are listening side. Now, Sundowns is attacking. Because there was a glitch. If you watch the game, there was a glitch, some technical issues. Now, Sundowns is attacking. Look how many players are there. What are Bafethu? So many players. Now, look at Leon. The ball is going there, Mfanagit. Don't stand there. Make the run there. Because this ball, Ulunga could have played the ball here. Just like Esperance. Now watch what Esperance did. They almost scored. Now watch what Esperance did. They almost scored because the striker must always run to the first pole. Go to the first pole in Mfanagit. They almost scored here because of what? The basics of football. There's no need for a striker. As a striker, asikho isidingo Mfanagiti for you to stand here, for you to want to receive the ball la. Ngaku penalty spot. No, you go, you run there, Mfanagiti. Almost scored. Ball rotation. Now, there wasn't a lot of things to show you guys in the second half. Now, Sundowns has the ball. Basekhoneni, Mr. Miyagi. Now, let's change. Let's go to another side. Not a good pass, but watch what the Esperance players do. They go and press that side. They forget about this side as well. Should have done better there. Ball rotation. Hayikwethu Mfanagiti, hayisabathi mona. Right change ribeya kakwa. Simple. Ibhola li simple, guys. In a football team or in a football club, guys, recruitment is very important. How you recruit your players and the type of players that you bring in your team. Now, the recruitment Leon, perfect, none, because like I said earlier, he gives them that option. Play the ball long to me. Ushaulile used to do that, but I think the Leon replacement because too many injuries in the last 2 or 3 seasons, right? Ushaulile used to control the ball gamnan. Now watch. Bas pressile, long pass. Uzoba kudluza. Kudlukulu. He's out. It's very important. This thing This thing is very important. This was the clip that I showed you earlier. It's very important in recruitment, guys. You don't just sign players because they are very good. No. One last clip bese ngiyayivala. When you play the ball long, the rebound, right? The first touch, not the first touch. The rebound is very important because in this clip, Sundowns don't win the ball, but you have to win the second ball. This is what Leon gives them. They can play the ball long. Sundowns wins it. Mr. Miyagi. Mr. Miyagi. Keep the ball. Mr. Miyagi is open again. He's there. He's available. He wants to receive the pass. Mr. Tutash. When I talk about development, let me take it back, Abafet. When I talk about development, I talk about these type of things. Abafet, I'm lost for words. Now, if you've been watching my videos for the past 2 or 3 months, right? I talk about the first touch. The first thing before you receive the ball, you need to know what's happening around you. That will make you decide how do you tap the ball. Do you tap it lizelana? Do you tap it lizele? It will give you man. But this boy knew la ukuthi akuna muntu. So his first touch was there. If it was another player, because of ufuna trapper, bese ayalipusha, bese ayashaya. 3 touches. This boy 2 touches. He knows ukuthi there is space there. Ngifuna ukushaya. Habara hache haka phakathi inside. Unfortunately for him, it was not a goal. 2 touch. Mr. 2 touch. Development. Simple. If you have proper development, football becomes simple. When you watch this boy, these are easily. Just like subscribing, it's easy. Just press subscribe. Just press like. It's easy. Thank you for watching, Bafethu. Thank you for the support. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga.